Hi, folks. So today we're chatting about the labeling on a geyser and what we would typically call the tag, the geyser tag. The geyser tag is a little label that goes on the side of the geyser. It typically tells you all the details and the information around the geyser. It would probably have the serial number on, the date of manufacture, whether or not the geyser could be installed vertically, horizontally, if it could be a floor-mounted geyser, a wall-mounted geyser. It would tell you information about the geyser and the model number, the volumes of the geyser, so 150 liters. It may go so far as to tell you what the element rating is on the geyser. So, for example, 150 liter should be marked with a 3 kilowatt element. So it would tell you a 3 kilowatt element. And most importantly, what it tells you is the warranty details and the rating of pressure that geyser can handle. So the pressure rating and the warranty details are probably the two most important things on a geyser tag. The warranty details may be directing you to where you would find the information as to the warranty of your geyser, or it would outline in a code form what the warranty is and when the date of manufacture is. The pressure rating would be marked it would be marked in a color code, so green for 600 kPa pressure or red for 400 kPa pressure. There's also a black color for 200 kPa pressure. So the tag is an important little piece of information to keep an eye on. It tells you a lot about the geyser. It tells you what information this geyser has in it and what the information that you as a supplier or insurer would need to know. And as a service provider, you would certainly make decisions on the replacement geyser based on information on that tag. So it's essential that the tag is there. And when the service provider or somebody would tell you that the tag is missing, it's definitely enough information to raise concern.